Hello guys, welcome to my channel Unlearn and Learn. You will find programming concepts, data structures, algorithms and fun stuff, programming, coding, everything will be coming soon. Stay tuned and do watch.
Hello and welcome to one more video in this series. We will learn file handling in this one. So there are different ways to handle files. So I have created one test.txt. You can see it here, and we will access that file now. Yes, and there are different packages. So I'll let you know about those. OS is the one. So I'll say file, comma, error, OS start open, and we'll give the file name, that is test.txt, and no other set. So, and if this is an error, so this is a new syntax. If the functions can return error as well. This is one way to say that the operation, the function which it's supposed to do, it does not, because there is some error. So the error is sent in the second parameter. You can see that open is accepting one parameter and returning two. So it returns a pointer to that file, or else it return error. So if there is error, we can do error logging here. I'm just doing print that error opening file and that error. Alright, so now we can return from here, as we were not able to read the file successfully, and then we can do defer call to close the file. And we spoke about this regarding closing the file. We sometimes tend to forget that file to close, it's better to close it when we have accessed it, and use defer. It will close at the end. If you did not follow what defer do watch the previous video. So let's move ahead. So we can get the stats of the file as well. Stat comma error, and we get the file dot stat. If we can just check this, and we are getting the error here, we'll just return from here. And if you want to debug or something, you can add print statement and do logging in case of web application and all. So next we move to reading whatever there in the file. So I am creating one byte and slice, basically of size stat dot size. So this stat is returning some information of file. So fs.fileinfo, it returns, or it returns error. So we have got the size of that, and then we have got the size. Now we will just read that file here. Error equals to file dot read, and as it is giving error, so I just not assign that, and we read it in BS. Handle the error saying not equal to nil, and return from here. So, and we'll convert whatever it is in bytes to string. Okay, so for that we are using this, and print whatever there in the file. So we just print file contains. So alright, so now we have read the file using OS. So you can see that this is being imported. Now we will see one more way of reading the file. So iot.read file, and it returns bs comma error, we'll just pass that test.txt and handle the error not equal to nil, and just return from here. So you see that there is one line on that function, so it says that it is deprecated. So we can see that this function is deprecated, right? So next we just do fmt.println and string of this. So this is the way to read the file, like second way of doing it. We'll just run this and see the output. So now I am running this. Yeah, so we can see that file contains this file to be read by a Go program, and similarly this file to be run by read by Go program. So the similar lines, so we can see that the same thing is in here. So right, so next we can see the next part of it. So we just create file here. So we say file1 comma error, and we are assigning it. So o.create, and we'll just say go.txt. So and here we are saying error not equal to nil. Handling the error is like essential. Many functions return error optionally, so that you can handle whatever the error is there. We know that errors are very handy in programming. We know that what fails, where fails. So that's what error is. And, we are just closing the file as well. File1 dot close, right? So we have closed it, but it will close at the end, as we know. And then what you want to do, we want to write something to that, and we say write string. This is written by a process. All right, so and we can do one more thing. We'll see one more thing here to read the directory as well. So we just say dir comma error os dot open, that is a directory, and if error not equal to nil, we just say return. We can handle errors here, like we can log that, as we know. So many times we do that, right? So here also we just close it and put it defer in front of that. It's caps lock defer here, and do the essential stuff, right? Informations and error. So we just say dir dot read dir -1. Say this will instruct it to read all of the files and just alright. So yes, so now we just say if error not equal to nil, same thing, return. So every time we do this is a good practice to have, and we just range over this now. So files for arranging over it, and empty fine. do name and run it again. So here we can see that we have seen opened a directory and seen the content of the directory. So we have go.txt that is created by the program, and then we have main.go, then we have test.txt. So these are the files, and if you go and check go.txt, this is written written by a process right there. So yeah, this is about file handling in Go. Let me know if you have any questions. If you find this video helpful, do like, share, subscribe, and share it with the one who is interested in learning Go. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching the video. Do like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.